Hark, when the night is falling, hear, hear, the pipes are calling, loudly and proudly calling, down through the glen. There where the hills are sleeping, now feel the blood a-leaping, high as the spirits of the old Highland men. Towering in gallant fame, Scotland, my mountain hame, high may your proud banners gloriously wave. Land of my high endeavour, land of the shining river, land of my heart forever, Scotland the brave. Hark, when the night is falling, hear, hear, the pipes are calling, loudly and proudly calling, down through the glen. There where the hills are sleeping, now feel the blood a-leaping, high as the spirits of the old Highland men. Towering in gallant fame, Scotland, my mountain hame, high may your proud banners gloriously wave. Land of my high endeavour, land of the shining river, land of my heart forever, Scotland the brave. Land of my heart forever, Scotland the brave. This song is another contender for Scotland's national anthem. Indeed, for many years, up until about 2010, this was used as the national anthem for Scotland at the Commonwealth Game and at football fixtures. It has as much of a convoluted history as the Burns songs that are in the running for this unofficial anthem do. The tune dates back to the 1870s, and the words were written in the 1950s by a chap called Hanley.